Assalamu alaikum everyone. I hope you all are fine. Today we will learn about Venn diagrams. So let's start. We have already discussed three ways to represent a set builder notation, tabular notation and descriptive notation. Today we will learn about pictorial representation of a set. A Venn diagram, a Venn diagram is a pictorial representation of a set and it is drawn in the form of a circle. Okay, so when we have to show a set in the form of a Venn diagram, we make a circle and we write all the elements of that set in this circle. Not all the elements, you write only those elements in this circle on which you have to make a Venn diagram. For example, if we are showing set of vowels in the English alphabet in the form of Venn diagram, then we will write all the vowels inside this circle like this, comma, can separate them by comma, and all other elements, if that set contain other letters that are not vowels, then we write them outside the circle like B, C, F, X or any other letter present in that set. So this is how we show a set in the form of a Venn diagram. We'll discuss it in detail by considering another example. Okay, so here we have another example, set B. It is a set of natural numbers from 1 to 10. Set of natural numbers from 1 to 10, and you have to make Venn diagram on set of even numbers. Then what are the even numbers here? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So now let's make a Venn diagram on set of even numbers. Okay, so all the even numbers from this set B are written here in the circle. So this is a Venn diagram showing set of even numbers. Now what about the other numbers that are present in the set, like 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9. Now these are not even numbers, so we will write them outside the circle like this. Now all the even numbers are written inside the circle, 2, 4, 6, 8 and 10, and all the numbers that are not even are written outside the circle like this. So this is a proper way to make a Venn diagram. Because we had to make a Venn diagram on set of even numbers, so we just wrote even numbers inside the circle, and the other numbers which were present in the set B, we wrote them outside the circle like this. Now this circle is showing set of even numbers, and the outside of circle is showing set of numbers which are not even. Now what about this whole diagram, this whole circle and outside the circle? What do we call this whole thing? We call this universal set. So we call this whole set universal set, which contain even numbers and those numbers which are not even. So this whole diagram represents this set B, universal set, and around this circle represents set of even numbers. So this is how you show set through a Venn diagram. Now let's consider some more examples. Set C, it contains the name of cities. So it is a set of the name of cities of Pakistan. Multan, Peshawar, Karachi, Islamabad, Mianwali. Okay, all these names are written in this set. Now we will make two Venn diagrams from this set. One will take on these two sets, we'll make Venn diagram. Set of cities of Pakistan that begin with K and set of cities of Pakistan that begin with M. So first let's do this one. Now you have to write the name of those cities that begin with K. Okay, this is from your book. This example is from your book on page number 7. So okay, now what we'll do, we'll make a circle and write all the names that begin with K inside the circle, and those that doesn't begin with K, we will write them outside the circle like this. So now in this circle we have written the cities name that begin with K, and outside the circle we have written those cities that do not begin with K. So now this Venn diagram is showing the set of cities of Pakistan that begin with K. You can also mention here, you can also write here that cities that begin with letter K. So one can easily understand that this circle is showing the set of cities that begin with K. Now similarly we'll make a Venn diagram on set of cities that of Pakistan that begin with M. So you'll write all the cities that begin with M inside the circle and all other names outside the circle. This Venn diagram is on cities that begin with letter M, and outside the circle we have written cities that do not begin with M. So this is how you make a Venn diagram. I hope now the concept of Venn diagram is clear. You just have to write all those elements that belong to that set on which you are making Venn diagram inside the circle, and all other elements outside the circle. And this set, this whole set, what is this called? The set C. What do we call this set C? Universal set. We call this set universal set. This whole set is universal set because it contains all the elements inside or outside the circle. So we call such set universal set. Okay, now let's do exercise from your book on page 7, exercise 1C. Draw a Venn diagram for the following set. Some sets are given in this exercise and you have to make Venn diagram on those sets. So I'll do the first one. Okay, this is a set, name of 5 boys starting with A and name of 5 girls starting with S. So you have to make two Venn diagrams. First one is for name of 5 boys starting with A, and second for name of 5 girls starting with S. So you can choose names randomly. Now there are two ways to make Venn diagram. We can either make two, or we can show these two sets in one diagram. Let's see. Okay, so this set N, I have named this set with capital letter N, and I have written 5 names of boys starting with A and 5 names of girls starting with S. I have taken these names randomly. So these two Venn diagrams are showing this set, representing this set N. In this one, all the name of boys are written inside the circle, means this Venn diagram is representing the name of 5 boys starting with letter A, and we wrote all other names outside the circle. And in this we have written all the name of girls starting with S inside the circle. But there is one another way of showing this set, representing this set through a Venn diagram. We can make these two circles inside one diagram, like this. Now you can make two circles inside the one rectangle. Now this circle is showing set of name of 5 boys starting with A and name of 5 girls starting with S. So you can also make Venn diagram like this. You can make two circles inside one rectangle. You don't need to make two. So you can name these sets separately, like you can name this one with another capital letter and this one. Okay, as you can see here, I have named this circle with capital letter A and this one with capital letter S, and I have written here that A is equal to Ali, Ahmed, Ayan, Asad, Ahad, means the name of 5 boys starting with letter A and name of 5 girls starting with letter S. So by looking at this, one can easily understand that A set is showing the name of 5 boys starting with A, and similarly the set S is showing the name of girls starting with S. So now what you have to do is you have to complete this exercise. It has just 4 or 5 questions and one we have already done in this video. So now it's up to you. Either you make 2 Venn diagrams or you can just make 2 circles inside one rectangle, just like we did now. So I hope now the concept of Venn diagram is clear. So practice this exercise by yourself. See you in the next video, and if you don't understand something and you have to ask something, then you can contact on school's contact number. Thank you. Allah Hafiz. See you in the next video.